What's up, y'all? This is Branson Bailey. I'm a first year legal studies major. And this is my St. John's crib in Dasilva. Come on in. So when you first walk in, you see this nice, cozy, homey vibe. All these decorations, this is all mine. Actually, I do have to give a shout out to Mom, because she did help me a lot. But it's nice. We have this nice, cozy living room. We're always in here watching TV. We had a cool Super Bowl watch party in here. We just chill. It's fire. It's fire. All right, y'all. Enough of that. Now, let's look at the kitchen. Kitchen, I love food. Oftentimes it's too late. We can't go to Monty's. So you see, we have a microwave here, refrigerator here, all the snacks in the world. I love heating up Hot Pockets in the microwave. That's just something that I love. So the kitchen comes in very convenient, when you just are too lazy, to go to the dining halls, because really, who has the energy to walk? So if y'all come this way, follow me to my pride and joy on campus, my bedroom. I live in a single. It's amazing, it's zen. It's somewhere I can come to unwind. If you look inside, it's very cozy, gives a very cozy, very homey feel. Right at the entrance, this is called a vision board. I love vision boarding. Definitely opens up the room. Just makes me happy looking at it, because that's my masterpiece. That's my art. And then we have the bed. Everyone tells me I have a lot of pillows. And then of course my initials, BDB. Mom actually made those as well. Shout out to Mom. She even left this pillow for me. Call your mom. Then of course my mirrors and a clock as well. It was a very precious gift. Also, just can't be late for class, so I always know the time. Because I'm a good student sometimes. Most of the time. And then this, this is just, where I keep all my essentials, small things, water bottle, of course some Crystal Light packets. Gotta have Crystal Light. Harry Potter mug. Everybody loves Harry Potter. Just got some awards as well. I am Mr. NAACP for the NAACP chapter here at St. John's. Over here we got my gaming systems, PS5, Nintendo Switch. It's a pretty big monitor. It is a monitor, but I am a big gamer, so I do like to be on the game. Of course, when I'm not caught up with school, on the game a lot actually. And then of course, I have to have my own fridge. A bunch of delicious snacks in here. I keep everything in here, all the essentials, because sometimes I just want a hermit in the room. So all my essentials are in here, everything that I could need. Then we have the closet. I have a nice big closet. All my clothes. I don't want y'all looking at my drip now. You can't look at the clothes, but this is where I keep everything. Everything up here is a little messy, but that's just how the game goes. You see the room is clean. I have my precious Kendrick Lamar tapestry. I'm a big Kendrick Lamar K-Dot fan. Probably his biggest fan. Everybody here knows I love Kendrick. Yeah, so, this just gives me the motivation when I wake up. And finally, we have to have our own private bathroom. I love the bathroom. All right, guys, you've seen the awards, you've seen the games. Now it's time for y'all to leave. I'm gonna see you.